I forgot what my intro was.
Hey, dolls.
Oh, right, like a Summer Shea intro. Hey, dolls. Brutal Bombshell and Summer Shea. No spaces, two Y's is
Hey.
over there. Today we're gonna do a Goddess of the Underworld. I'm not really gonna explain that, but you can watch to find that out. Okay, we're gonna start with planning out where we want these. And I can say hi. That's Summer Shea, no spaces, two Y's. Promo. That was like literally the worst promo ever. Pretty sure that these look pretty even. Maybe I lied. No, I'm talking to the camera, but if I pretend like I'm talking to you, it's easier. Fun fact. I am going to put down a layer of liquid latex and put these on.
Courtney's making me tea. How sweet is she?
The sweetest. She saved me food. I don't really want food, but.
That's fact that counts. Fact that counts. The fact that counts. The fact that counts. Thought. The thought. The thought that counts. No matter what time that counts.
That doesn't happen often.
So I'm gonna put a layer down and hide these edges and put my horns on, and I will be right back. Okay, now Summer and Courtney are being clowns in the background, and her singing is probably scarier than the end result of this video.
Sipsty.
Roast.
Get down, please.
Can I say tits on YouTube?
Yeah.
You
You
sure?
can say anything you fucking want, especially if you aren't eligible for monetization.
Okay, well we're gonna unzip our tits.
That's it. That's the look.
Okay, so basically you have spirit gum and it's like nail polish, and don't fucking rip this shit off. Use the remover.
I hope you can hear them in the background because they're fucking throwing shade.
But we're gonna put it on like nail polish, and then we're gonna stick it onto our boobs, and I'm trying to keep this video kind of short. So I'll be right back. Okay, now since these fucking prosthetics suck, we're going to put another layer of liquid latex around the edges and then put cotton around it so it looks extra bougie.
Not good.
Courtney, thanks for supporting me.
We support you because we have to. Summer's subject to you too.
Just trying to record a YouTube video, make money over here, but... Okay, now we are gonna paint in the zipper, and if you really want to like see a zipper tutorial, more or less, it wasn't much of a tutorial.
Summer being an idiot, but
You know, that's my girl, so go check out her channel to see that, because I have no time to explain what the fuck I'm doing.
Oh, kitty!
just grease paints and Courtney in the background talking to some caught a cat.
Oh, kitty! The Tina's here! Here's your water, mate.
Who ordered Chinese food?
I get to smoke my jewel. I get to smoke my jewel.
I wish I had cool friends, but they're over there drooling,
Yeah.
so.
At least you don't
And
smoke nasty
Courtney's.
cigarettes.
You know what? Fuck you.
You both used to smoke, and I've been smoking for 9 years, okay? Get out of here.
What?
At least my lungs are her favorite color.
You know what? You
My
can
lungs are
keep
so
hating on
ugly.
it, but I'm about to fight.
Do you want to play this game? Because I'll gladly play.
We're gonna go into this one with the fucking ugly colors of happy people.
That's the 35B.
35B.
Whatever.
We're gonna dip into these two purples.
These two purples.
Summer looked banging in them.
Not that I want to keep promoting her channel, but I want to keep promoting my video on her channel. Sorry, not sorry.
If you want to watch Summer turn me into a girly girl, that'll be coming probably this week.
Who's not excited for it?
And then I'm gonna turn Summer emo, and I'm
Super excited about that.
I'm gonna fucking rock it. I used to be punk rock when I was a kid, dude.
Alright, so after Summer and Courtney were no fucking help, so I did my face makeup, and then I contoured with purple because,
I do what I want.
and then about 20 minutes later, my eye finally put a contact in, so we're about to speed through this one, so we can't really tell what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna add a little blood here in a minute, and I can only see out of one eye. Heads up.
Sorry about Logan Paul!
Summer wishes she.
Courtney, don't tell our secrets. Jesus, he's famous.
Clock is numbered. There's always a man with another inch and an extra zero in his fucking paycheck. I will say it time and time again. Don't waste your time on a
Fuck boy.
Is this a fucked up?
That looks sweet.
I feel more blood is necessary. Do you feel?
Well, thanks for watching and listening to Summer and Courtney bitch about their lives, spill tea, and I'm gonna go take some pictures and see what's next to come. But the collab with Summer will be later this week. Okay, well, have fun. Love you. Hate you. Don't like this video. Don't subscribe to this video or channel. I'm kidding. You should, but don't fucking follow Summer Shea with no spaces, two eyes, unless you want to see me.
YouTube live, bro.